What causes a refrigerator to cycle more frequently?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common question. What causes a refrigerator to cycle more frequently? If you've noticed that your fridge is running more often than usual, there could be a few reasons behind it. So let's dive in and explore the factors that contribute to this phenomenon.
Temperature setting.
One of the primary factors that can affect the cycling frequency of a refrigerator is the temperature setting. Refrigerators are designed to maintain a specific temperature range, typically between 37 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, or 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, for the food compartment. If the temperature setting is set too low, closer to the freezing point, the fridge will need to run more frequently to maintain that lower temperature. So, ensure that your temperature setting is within the recommended range to avoid unnecessary cycling.
Ambient temperature.
Another significant factor that can impact how often your refrigerator cycles is the ambient temperature of its surroundings. Fridges dissipate heat from the condenser coils located either at the back or underneath the appliance. If the ambient temperature is high, such as during hot summer months, or if the refrigerator is placed near a heat source like an oven, it can cause the fridge to work harder to remove heat. As a result, the compressor may cycle more frequently to maintain the desired temperature inside the fridge.
Poor refrigerator maintenance.
Proper maintenance plays a crucial role in the efficient operation of a refrigerator. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate on the condenser coils, inhibiting the release of heat. When the coils are dirty, the fridge has to work harder, leading to more frequent cycling. Therefore, it's important to clean the condenser coils regularly, typically every 6 months, to ensure optimal performance.
Refrigerator overloading.
The amount of food stored in your refrigerator can also impact its cycling frequency. When a fridge is overloaded with a substantial amount of warm food, it causes the internal temperature to rise. To compensate, the refrigerator needs to work harder to cool down the food and maintain the desired temperature. If you notice your fridge cycling more often, try reducing the load or allowing warm food to cool down before placing it in the refrigerator to minimize cycling.
Damaged door seals.
The door seals of a refrigerator are responsible for creating an airtight seal when the door is closed. If the seals are damaged, worn out, or not properly aligned, they may allow warm air to enter the fridge, leading to temperature fluctuations. As a result, the refrigerator may cycle more frequently in an attempt to compensate for the increased heat influx. If you suspect an issue with the door seals, consider replacing or repairing them to improve the fridge's efficiency and reduce cycling. And that's it for today's video. We've explored some of the common factors that can cause a refrigerator to cycle more frequently. Remember to check your temperature settings, be mindful of the ambient temperature, perform regular maintenance, avoid overloading the fridge, and inspect the door seals. By keeping these factors in mind, you can help ensure that your refrigerator runs efficiently and keeps your food cool while minimizing unnecessary cycling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.